Where are your friends? Where is the nurse right now? Where is the furniture shop? Where is your father right now? Where are you now? Where is she from? Where is he working today? Where are we going? Where is the bus stop? Where are the students? Where is the teacher? Where are they living? Where is your bag? Where are my keys? Where was I yesterday? Where were you last night? Where was she working? Where were they going? Where was the meeting held? Where were we yesterday? Where was he in the morning? Where was the car parked? Where were the children? Where were your parents? Where will you be tomorrow? Where will I be at 5 p.m.? Where will she be next week? Where will they be during vacation? Where will we be staying? Where will the meeting be? Where shall I be on Sunday? Where will the function be held? Where will your office be? Where will he be working next year?